There's plenty to regret. The cigarette tilted in a china blue ashtray, the little smudge of lipstick on my teeth, how I stare like a buckshot target into the camera, my hair flipped like a mare's tail. Everything about me is asking. This is a fossil of me ossified into a half moon, grabbing at my ankles, my two nipples reaching out like the arms of a tired child. Look at my breasts, the way they can be used against me, the way he has me flat, malleable, wearing a younger face, the inexhaustible resource of my body spread out onto his skull-colored bed, able to be uploaded, a virus eating itself from the inside out. It's my own shape that I'm afraid of, the weapon of my body, how it points back at itself.